We are established since 1993 and we got our registration in 1996. Since then, we are working in the field of power conditioning equipments like servo voltage stabilizer, distribution transformer and automatic voltage stabilizer. We have seen so many ups and downs, but we have always been true to our clients and dedicated in our work. A brief background about the owner. Owner is Mohd Ashfaq. He lived in a small village in Uttar Pradesh named Shahdara. He lived there with his whole family and worked as farmer till he completed his 12th standard. After that, he wanted to come to Delhi so that he can earn for his family. After coming to Delhi, he worked different jobs to earn a living, and after a while, when he saved enough to start a business, he did so by opening his first company, that is Powerline Systems, in 1993. But the company was unregistered as it didn't have that much sale, but after a few ups and downs, company got on the track and started giving profits in 1996. Then the company was registered as sole proprietorship company. Now, after working for 26 years in this field, the company has been working successfully by delivering best quality products and services to its clients, which is a very long list. Certifications, accreditations. ISO 9001-2008, ISO 9001-2015, MNRE certification, UP Jal Board Seller certification. Complete list of our products. Servo voltage stabilizer, linear voltage stabilizer, distribution transformer, step-down transformer, isolation transformer, automatic voltage stabilizer, constant voltage stabilizer. Our workforce strength: 50 in production department. Sales department has around 20 executives, along with our many dealers based in cities all over the country. We have dealers all over India. Some major states in which we have dealers: Chhattisgarh, Uttar Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Delhi. What makes the company different from others? Our company policy is to always deliver what we promise. We are committed to deliver you the best quality product on the given time. Our clients are so loyal as we give them the best services and products. For example, we have a dealer who is working with us since he got his DIN number few years back. And the list of clients who deal with us again and again is really long. We have around 70% of our orders which are through someone's references, and 30% is from new clients who, after dealing with us once, never stop dealing. We make servo voltage stabilizer, which is made through two technologies, that is dimmer type and roller type. We make both. Location of the corporate office: Corporate 519/1/6, Sansar Compound, Industrial Area, Dilshad Garden, Shahdara, Delhi 95. We also have offices in Lucknow and Dhanbad.